The hidden nutritional mistakes behind hair loss, and how to reverse them naturally. Every strand of hair tells a story of your vitality, your balance, your health. But what if your hair begins to tell a story you never wanted to hear? Maybe you've noticed more hair in the shower drain, a thinning ponytail, or that quiet fear that your hair is not as full as it once was. For many, hair loss feels like a silent alarm, one that whispers something deeper about what's happening inside the body. Most people believe it's simply a matter of genetics or aging. But what if that isn't the full truth? New research is revealing something fascinating. The foods you eat, and the ones you avoid, may have a far greater influence on your hair than you ever imagined. When your diet talks to your hair. A large review published in Nutrition and Health analyzed 17 studies on the relationship between nutrition and hair growth. Across more than 600,000 participants, one message was clear: your diet directly affects the density, strength, and vitality of your hair. Hair is not a luxury, it's a living extension of your body's internal chemistry. Every cell in your scalp depends on the nutrients you consume, and when your body runs low on certain building blocks, your hair is one of the first to show it. The silent saboteurs hiding in your diet. One of the biggest hidden enemies of healthy hair is something most people consume every single day: sugar. Sugary drinks and snacks may taste comforting, but inside your body they act like a slow poison. When you consume sugar, your insulin spikes, your inflammation increases, and your natural hair growth cycle becomes disrupted. Inflammation doesn't just affect your skin or your digestion, it also blocks the blood flow and oxygen supply to your hair follicles. Over time, that means weaker roots, thinner strands, and more shedding. Then there's the protein problem. Your hair is made primarily of keratin, a protein. And yet, many people simply don't get enough protein in their daily diet. Experts suggest that we need around half a gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. When your diet lacks this foundation, your body prioritizes survival over beauty. It uses what little protein it has to repair organs and maintain muscle, leaving little for your hair. The result? Hair that grows slower, breaks easily, or simply stops regenerating as it used to. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty, where we explore the science and soul of true beauty. Each week, you'll discover natural ways to nourish your skin, hair, and body from within. The healing power of food. The good news? Nature also provides powerful allies for your hair, if you know where to look. Plant-based proteins like tofu, edamame, lentils, and quinoa offer the amino acids your scalp needs to produce new, strong strands. Cruciferous vegetables, think broccoli, kale, and cauliflower, are rich in antioxidants that protect your follicles from oxidative stress. And there's one lesser-known gem from the East: persimmon leaf tea. It's been used for centuries in Asian wellness traditions to improve circulation to the scalp and strengthen hair from the roots. Then there's pumpkin seed oil, an unsung hero for both men and women. Studies show it may reduce the hormonal effects that contribute to hair thinning, especially in men. The secret is consistency. When you feed your body the right foods day after day, you create the internal conditions for beauty to return naturally, without needing miracle products or empty promises. The vitamin connection. Beyond food, several key nutrients play a quiet but powerful role in preventing hair loss and encouraging regrowth. Vitamin D is one of the most essential. It supports the formation of new hair follicles and helps regulate the hair growth cycle. A daily dose of around 2,000 international units may help keep levels balanced, especially during winter months when sunlight is scarce. Iron is another crucial element, particularly for women. When iron levels drop, oxygen delivery to the scalp decreases, and your hair growth can slow dramatically. Paired with vitamin C, which enhances absorption, iron becomes even more effective. Then there's biotin, also known as vitamin B7. It's often marketed as the miracle vitamin for hair, but here's the truth: biotin only makes a difference if you're deficient. Still, it's an important nutrient found naturally in eggs, fish, seeds, nuts, and sweet potatoes. And finally, collagen. Once thought of only as a skin supplement, new research shows that collagen's amino acids may support stronger hair, improve elasticity, and even help protect existing follicles. When balance returns, beauty follows. What's truly beautiful about these discoveries is how they remind us that hair health isn't about vanity, it's about vitality. When you nourish yourself properly, your hair becomes a mirror of that inner balance. Imagine your scalp as a living garden. If the soil is dry, lacking nutrients, and constantly under stress, nothing beautiful can grow. But when it's fed, oxygenated, and protected, growth returns, naturally. That's the essence of holistic beauty. The modern lifestyle trap. The modern world makes it easy to lose this balance. Highly processed foods, chronic stress, and irregular sleep quietly drain the nutrients that hair depends on. Even dehydration plays a bigger role than most people realize. Every hair follicle contains about 20% water, and when you're dehydrated, your strands become brittle and dull. So, before you reach for a new shampoo, reach for a glass of water. Simple rituals, hydration, good nutrition, enough rest, rebuild your hair from the inside out. The emotional side of hair loss. Hair loss can also affect how we see ourselves. It's not just about appearance, it's about confidence and identity. But understanding the cause brings empowerment. When you know that your body is capable of renewal, you stop seeing hair loss as a punishment and start seeing it as communication. Your body isn't failing you, it's simply asking for better nourishment. The science of patience. Hair regeneration doesn't happen overnight. The growth cycle of a single strand can take months. But if you stay consistent, eat real foods, balance your nutrients, and protect your scalp, your hair will respond. Every meal becomes an act of care. Every night of sleep, a silent repair. And each week, your body remembers what health feels like. Because your hair, like your skin, is always listening to how you live. If this video inspired you, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you noticed a change in your hair when you changed your diet? I'd love to hear your story. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty, where we reveal how true beauty begins not in your mirror, but in your cells. Thank you for watching, and remember, your body knows how to heal, all you need to do is listen.